Are you trying to choose between Proton Drive and iCloud? It can be tough to decide. In this video, we'll compare these two cloud storage services to help you find the right one for your needs. Both Proton Drive and iCloud let you store files online. They keep your documents, photos, and videos safe and accessible from anywhere, but they have different features and focuses. Let's start with Proton Drive. This service is known for its strong privacy features. It uses end-to-end encryption, which means only you can see your files. Proton Drive is great for people who value security and want to keep their data private. Now, let's look at iCloud. This service is tightly integrated with Apple devices. If you use an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, iCloud makes it easy to back up and sync your files. It's user friendly and works seamlessly with other Apple apps. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Proton Drive focuses on privacy and security, while iCloud is all about convenience for Apple users. If you want strong protection for your data, Proton Drive is the way to go. If you are in the Apple ecosystem and want ease of use, iCloud is a better fit. When it comes to features, Proton Drive offers secure sharing options and a simple interface. iCloud provides automatic backups and smooth syncing across devices. Both have their strength depending on what you need. As for pricing, Proton Drive offers a free tier with limited storage, while iCloud has affordable plans based on your storage needs. In the end, if privacy is your top concern, choose Proton Drive. But if you want a hassle free experience with Apple devices, go with iCloud. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.